What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Always Rich. I hope you guys are all having a very blessed day. I know I am. It is Tuesday, the final day of fall break, so it just happens to be that Jess is off today. Every Tuesday is our day to just kind of like knock stuff out. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do today. I actually want to go check out a local Urban Outfitters because my homie Kieran KXRBTZ put me on to these like champion reverse weave hoodies. I really need a hoodie, guys, and I was really like looking toward like the John Elliott side, but he told me that they were super cool essential hoodies, so we're gonna go check them out. I'm trying to decide right now between black and gray, so I'm gonna try them both on and then I'll decide from there. Overall, this is just another random vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy the ride. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we had to make a quick little pit stop to Walgreens. As the temperature is changing, people are getting sick, so we're trying to stay proactive. Got the hauls. Let's see what else we got in here.
I woke up with a sore throat.
We got some emergency. We got some Dayquil, non-drowsy gang. And your boy is addicted to chapsticks. Like, just know, I've carried a chapstick in my pocket for like the last 5 years. It's a puppy. What's up, puppy? Hello? Hello? Oh, where you going? Come back. Come back! Ah! Green light.
There he is!
Just getting distracted by puppies.
He is so cute.
Pumpkin. Like you. We're on our way to my favorite restaurant in AZ. By far, hands down. I go there in so many vlogs. It's probably ridiculous, but we are on our way to PBH, Phoenix Burrito House, my #1 Mexican spot in AZ. You'd be so surprised, guys. Like, when I first moved to Arizona, I was like, yo, there's probably so much Mexican food out here. And literally, there's like no good Mexican spots. So, I don't know. Like, everyone does this like American remix kind of Mexican style that I'm not really feeling. So, gotta keep it genuine, guys. We're posted up outside, we're chilling. We got the chips, the salsa. Yo, it is so nice outside, guys. Let me check the temperature real fast. It is 79 degrees Fahrenheit, 26 degrees Celsius for all my UK and European lads. We got you. Yo, look at my glasses, they are dark. This is my first pair of what do you call it? Transitional lenses, and it's crazy like seeing it. Like, I literally can't see that they're darkened, but I can finally see it for the first time. But yeah, we're about to grub hard right now. I got some carne asada tacos. They're like I said, they're my favorite.
Cheese only.
Cheese only. Super picky, guys.
I got some veggie tacos.
Veggie? What's in it?
Like mixed veggies.
Keep it simple, guys.
Oh, with rice and beans on the side.
Oh, you did a tortilla. That's carbs.
It's a cheat day.
Got mine right here, looking fire, yo. I just get,
It feels so good out here.
It feels so bomb. Like, we didn't get no soda, guys. We're drinking an emergency.
I haven't drank soda in like...
Trying to stay healthy. I've been guilty.
Yeah, you are. I haven't drank soda in a really long time. I can't even remember how long.
A while.
I've been on the LaCroix life. And water.
Water. More water, more life.
That's a wrap.
Look at this parking lot. It's crazy. Oh, real quick before you guys go in, I just want to show you guys what we got on today. Jess is rocking the off-white Converse, the black essential denims, the represent Italiano leather, and let's see. Oh, he's flexing on the haters today. I'm keeping it simple today, guys. Got the represent denims on, shattered backboard, reverse, And yeah, we're just out here. This is a creepy parking lot, not gonna lie. We never come down here because parking's like horrible. You gotta pay everywhere you go. Just a lot of like one-way lanes. Very confusing. Alright guys, so apparently the Rode VideoMic Pro is a trash mic, and right here, obviously, as you can tell, there's no sound, which is why I am doing a voiceover. I pretty much was walking around aimlessly, not really finding anything that I liked, and so I finally decided to ask one of the workers where the sweaters are, and they told me that they were in the back. So she went and grabbed them right here, and I went ahead and tried some of them on, and then here's Jess basically thinking she's super tight, doing a little selfie, little flex god right here. And then she goes over here to my change room, thinks she's dope, missed the door. I answer, hello. There I am. Hello. Cheese. So yeah, right here I am. I'm digging the sweater. I'm feeling it. I'm putting my hat on. I'm in the vibe right now. But I really couldn't decide if I wanted the gray or the black because they were both pretty sick. Went with a medium, super true to size. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys. And then I basically walked over here. Oh, couldn't shut the door. Didn't want to lock myself out. And then, yeah, I pretty much tried them on. Checked it out. Yep. So I couldn't decide what color I wanted, so I'm going with both. So shout out to Kieran on this one. Plug talk. Alright guys, got the bag on. We're out. It's so funny because literally it was cold before we walked in, and now that I got my sweaters, it's hot outside. So that's AZ for you. This is where they have like all the biggest concerts. The Suns play here, and then right next door is where the Diamondbacks play. Home of the DBs. Gang, gang. We out.
Alright guys, we just made a pit stop at the house. Rich wanted to switch into his new hoodie and freshen up a little bit. Sorry, excuse my voice, I'm getting sick, so I don't normally sound like this, but anyways, let's go see where Rich is at.
Out here looking all fresh!
Let's see.
Alright guys, back at it, got the hoodie on.
Damn.
Reverse champion wing, looking all... What? Yeah, so I went with both of them, I couldn't decide, so that's how we do it. I mean, you can never go wrong with an essential hoodie. You gotta have the black, gotta have the heather gray. So it worked out perfect. I got the J. Crew shirt underneath, the Represent essential denims with the paint splatter, and got the reverse shattered backboards.
Wait, can't forget.
Gucci gang. So right now we're gonna go shoot. We rocked similar fit so that we can kind of do like another couple shot. You guys went absolutely nuts. For those of you guys who follow me on Instagram, literally the last few photos, you guys have shown so much love, and I appreciate that more than words could describe, so let's get it. So you're probably wondering why I didn't continue the video, and there's some good reasons for that. Basically, we decided to kind of scratch the plans that we had for the day, and we basically decided to kind of go on a date night. So we had dinner. After that, then we decided to go watch A Star Is Born with Bradley Cooper, which was an amazing, phenomenal, like just absolutely incredible, heart-throbbing movie. So if you guys are not doing anything, I definitely recommend that movie because, like I said, it was good and I liked it. Guys, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the denims that I was rocking in today's video. I actually got these denims from a website called Shadow, it's a store based in Slovakia, which is like somewhere way over there in Europe. I don't know exactly whereabouts it's located, but the team basically reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to join like a partnership with them and be on their basically collaboration team. And I basically went through their website and looked at the stock list they provided, which has some major heat brand guys like John Elliott, Represent, it's just, and many more. I mean, it's crazy. So I'm really excited to announce that I am going to be on their ambassador list, guys, from now on. So I worked out a little bit of a deal with them to hook you guys up, my subscribers and my followers. So anytime you guys want to order anything off of their site, make sure you guys use Sills15 for 15% off of all your orders. Let me tell you guys a little something that's really amazing to me, and it really means a lot to me. When it comes to a store, it's all about how fast I get the item because, like, I don't know if you're like me, but literally I get so hyped up on an item, and by the time it arrives to my house, if it takes too long, I'm like, I've lost all thrill and excitement toward the item. So what's really dope about Shadow is they actually use DHL, worldwide shipping. So after a certain amount of money that you guys spend with them, they basically hook you up. So I ordered these on Friday and they arrived on Monday, so that's like insane. Like literally, I don't even know how that's possible. Just to kind of heads up as well, if you guys have any other brands or stores that you guys would like me to collaborate with, definitely send them my way. Drop a comment below. I mean, you know, just reach out to me because I will definitely, you know, take that into consideration and reach out to those brands and see if I can work out any kind of like, you know, deal with these guys to save you guys some money. I don't want to sell you guys anything, but I just want to inform you guys about new stores and brands that you guys may or may not be aware of. So yeah, I think I'm gonna close up the video right now, guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your guys' week, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.